In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Crypto.com Canada. In order to do this, open up your Crypto.com app just like this and head over to the bottom menu. And on the bottom menu, click on Account. So you're going to click on Crypto. And this will open up your crypto wallet just like this. Then you click on Transfer. And click on Withdraw. Click on External Wallet. And here you're going to have a list of options depending on the currency, your region, and your account balance. So you're just going to go ahead and select the bank account you want to transfer your crypto to and do your transfer. Also, you can head over to your settings. Right here, click on the menu icon at the top left corner. Head over to settings. Click on account. And then you can change your currency to Canadian dollars. Right here, you can see payment currency. We're just going to change that to Canadian dollar.